Hey guys, this is a brand new unboxing that I thought I would show. So this is actually a battery bank by Anker. This is the POWERCORE III 10K wireless. I haven't bought a battery bank in some time just because once you have them and if they work, they're fine. But obviously the ones I had gotten quite a bit old, weren't keeping a charge as well, so got them recycled, but finally bought a new one for a future vacation trip. I did open this already, but have it all packed again, so just to kind of take a look. So this is it. This is what it looks like. I'll pull it out, but get some warranty paperwork. Get a pouch, but this is the main. So it has a matte finish with kind of this texture that you can kind of see. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah. Just the focus, and there we go. So yeah, Anker, it's actually supposed to be this way. So as you can see, it's kind of does fit in my hand, but I do have slightly large hands, so just to give a little bit of perspective on the size, there's two inputs here. I should say one output and then one input output. So this has a USB 2.0 or 3.0 output here, and then you also have the IQ USB-C input output. So that's where you're going to be charging the battery bank from, and then you'll also be able to give out a charge. Again, this is 10,000 milliamps, which, you know, realistically is going to be a little bit less, but you know, that's how it works. On the side, you see these couple of buttons, and there was a little bit of a charge when I got it, so let's see here. So it's kind of indicating that there's a 50% charge right now. The biggest thing when I was looking, so I was kind of hoping for something in the 10,000 range, just because typically the chargers are going to be about this size, which you can easily fit into a backpack. But the other benefit that I wanted to have with being able to use this kind of charger is this wireless charging pad. Now, one of the things that they showed on the that you'll be able to do is, say at night you've used the charger, it's not really having much, but you need to charge it up. Well, you can set this to charge, but you also have this wireless pad. So as you're charging, you can just place your phone on top. There you go. So with that, you're charging. You can do that while you have it on the when you're charging the battery bank itself. That'll be a benefit, but just in general, this is going to be kind of nice to have. The website does mention that you need to use more than 5-watt input brick. So, you know, the typical smaller iPhone brick that most people probably have, that will not be able to allow for pass-through both charging of the battery bank as well as the phone. But you'll need something more, so usually 15 or 30 is probably going to be what you'll need. Otherwise, it's supposed to be able to output up to 10 watts. I believe the iPhone is maxed out at 7.5, which isn't the worst thing. It's not 5, but most Android phones will be able to charge quite a bit faster as long as they're capable of accepting that kind of charge. But otherwise, you're going to get the real fast charge through the USB-C input. So if you have that connected, then hopefully you'll be getting a lot better charge. My plan with this, so one of the benefits I've had is I use a FUJIFILM camera, and it's able to allow for in-body charging. You can get a separate charger for the batteries, which will be faster, but it's just so much more convenient for me, at least, just to be able to plug in the camera. And so typically this is what I would use, is having this battery bank and being able to plug in when I do need a charge and just put it all together rather than having a separate battery charger. The other thing you could do is just get more batteries, which I have also done, but this will help in the pinch when I'm going to need some additional juice. So that's pretty much it. I guess the last thing to kind of look at is seeing what else is in here. So let's see, seems like a pouch. There we go. Yeah, it's a pouch just to carry it. It's kind of folded, and they actually give a cable, USB-C to USB-C cable, so kind of get that benefit of being able to charge as well. And I'm trying a new way of filming, so I do apologize if most of this comes out blurry. Just trying to be more routine and being able to upload things, but I'm in the process of getting my setup going. But yeah, so you get a pouch. Stuff this in here, and you can run the charge cable, and you are set. I use the Anker Slim 30-watt charger as well. I purchased it when I got my MacBook Air. The MacBook Air has the 30-watt charger in the box, so it was just something that was a little more convenient, easier to slip into kind of a one of those laptop cases that had the zipper, just to have everything together. But my plan is to use that with this for both its charging, and hopefully this will work well. So again, Snaptown Fizzle. Catch you on the next one. Peace.